Hi, and welcome to this Polaris FID tutorial video. Today I'll show you how to calibrate the instrument with the 1 liter disposable cylinder and with an external tank, and which are the correct procedures to perform. So calibration, it is a very important step and needs to be done in an appropriate way. It can be done with this disposable 1 liter cylinder, which is supplied by pollution, or with an external sanctified gas tank. The navigation menu on the analyzer is exactly the same for both options. It is important to know the exact concentration of carbon for the spent gas. In this disposable cylinder, there is a label with all informations. In this case, we have a propane spent gas. In the certified gas cylinders supplied by certified gas suppliers, you need to check the label that is included in the cylinder and where all the information are written. So to start the calibration, you need first to insert the cylinder inside its proper slot and then open the method menu. On the method menu, you select read span, so you can first check if the analyzer is reading the correct value or if you need to recalibrate it. In case the value displayed differs from the spent gas concentration, then you must recalibrate the analyzer. So wait for a few measurements so that the FID can equilibrate. In this case, I'm using a spent gas concentration which is 40.4 milligram of carbon for cubic meter. So you can stop the read span whenever you want or when you are satisfied by the measurement by pressing Enter, and then go back to the method menu. On the method menu, you can select Calibrate. So the instrument here gives you two choices for spent gas source, internal or external. You need to select internal if you are using the disposable cylinder, or the external tank if the external tank is connected through the quick connectors on the back of the Polaris. So you can see on the back here of the instrument the quick connectors. You just need to plug in the Teflon tube until you hear the click. Okay, so going back on the menu. Once I select internal, I can edit the spent gas concentration. So in this case, I'll modify the concentration, which was the old one, and I will write 40.04 by using the arrows. So I have 40.04 milligrams of carbon per cubic meter. Then I press Enter, and finally run calibration. Okay, so now the instrument starts calibrating, and it will run 10 measurements. At the end of this calibrating cycle, the analyzer will give you a new value for the peak area of the FID signal. So first there are some initial steps that the instrument performs, then on the display will start showing the measurements. So the first three will be automatically discarded, then some value will start appearing. These values are the peak area below the FID signal. Once the 10 measurements are completed, the instrument gives you this message: Cal complete with the old area and the new one. You can scroll down with the arrows and accept new calibration. In case you are not satisfied with the new calibration, you can always keep the old one. In this case, I accept the new cal, and now this method has been calibrated. Okay, so we just accept new cal, and that's it. you can calibrate each single method with its own span gas.
Pollution analytical equipment. The answer to your on-site detection challenges.